To get here, Neil Wagner has to get up early and drive his Leaf through darkness. It's demanding, takes energy, a lot of energy, to get here and see this. Neil's used a lot of charge to get to the summit of Maui's Haleakala volcano, but unlike other cars, he can refuel on his way home. Not at a gas station, not by plugging in, but simply by using the Volcano and his Leaf. On the way up, every part of Haleakala takes the battery's energy, but on the way down, it gets it back by taking advantage of Leaf's regenerative braking technologies, the way Neil does. For him, it's a process of give and take over miles of steep, winding roads, where every switchback, every decline, every press of the brake pedal recharges the Leaf's battery, making this a challenge not to climb the mountain. Any car can do that, but to harness it. Which begs the question, why stop when you can just keep going?